Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're pitting the DeLonghi Eletta, that's ASINB07NV2L9TL espresso machine against the Jura S8 ASINB0DMFQD5RH, right? Both super automatic, but very different price points.
Exactly. DeLonghi Eletta versus Jura S8. One's a renewed bargain, the other's a premium investment. Sounds like a fun comparison.
Let's dive in. The DeLonghi Eletta, even as a renewed model, boasts that LatteCrema system, so barista quality cappuccinos and lattes with a single touch. How does the Jura stack up in the milk department?
The Jura S8 counters with its fine foam frother. They claim it creates a very best fine textured foam for lattes and macchiatos. Plus, it offers 15 different pre-programmed specialty drinks right on its touchscreen.
Oh, nice! The Eletta gives you the option of using either coffee beans or pre-ground coffee. Super convenient if you want to try different blends without committing a whole hopper.
The Jura is bean only, but that Aroma G3 grinder is a big selling point. Jura says it's twice as fast and more precise than previous models, preserving the coffee's aroma. Do you know if the DeLonghi has a similar focus on grind quality?
Grinding is key. Absolutely. The Eletta has 13 adjustable grinding settings, so you can dial in the perfect coarseness for your beans.
The Jura uses something called the pulse extraction process, or P.E.P, which they say optimizes extraction time, especially for espresso and ristretto. It's designed to give you a more intense flavor. Does the DeLonghi have any special extraction tech?
Not specifically mentioned, but the Eletta can brew 2 cups simultaneously. Huge plus for busy mornings when you both need a caffeine fix.
The Jura also emphasizes ease of use with its 4.3-inch touchscreen color display. It walks you through each step with graphics and animations.
The Eletta has a touch control panel too, and you can adjust the water, milk, and coffee quantities to your liking. It's all about customization.
The Jura takes it a step further with automatic filter detection and programmable coffee strength, so it adapts to your specific water and coffee preferences.
Cleaning is crucial. The Eletta has automatic cleaning, descaling, and rinsing programs. And the removable parts are dishwasher safe, which is a lifesaver.
I don't have specific cleaning details for the Jura, but given its price point and features, I'd expect it to have automated cleaning cycles as well. It's a must-have for a super-automatic machine.
The DeLonghi is a bit of a beast, weighing in at 24.2 pounds, probably not moving it around much.
The Jura is a little lighter at 22.1 pounds. Still substantial, but maybe a bit easier to maneuver on the countertop. The Jura is also a bit smaller in dimensions, at 17.5 x 11 by 13.7 inches, compared to the DeLonghi's 14.16 x 10.2 x 18.36 inches.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.